Ooh, girl, this transformation is a good one. Hey guys, it's Jody, and if you want to go from this to this gorgeous look using clip-ins, I have some easy methods for you guys. Of course, you want to keep on watching. Okay guys, fun fact, Better Length was actually one of my very first sponsors, which is so cool. I love them so much. And today I'll be using their 16-inch Afro Kinky curly clip-ins. And only one set at that. I'm about to show you how I figure out how to make them look full regardless. So you only need one set of clip-ins for this tutorial. And a fun hack, make sure you save that gold string to do them cute tribal hairstyles. You're welcome. Okay girls, let's see what we're working with here with my natural hair. My hair is actually looking pretty good. It's freshly washed. And guys, believe it or not, I have little to no breakage now since I trim my hair often just to even out the shape. And my natural hair is fine, which I don't see a lot on YouTube. So I just thought I'll be more in depth in this video just to give you some representation and show you how I add the clip-ins on my hair type. So first we're gonna do a color refresher on my hair. I usually have a specific hair color that I use that's a lot safer for my hair, but honestly I needed some quick and cheap, so this is what we're gonna use. Plus it has no ammonia or peroxide, which is fine. And make sure you have your surfaces protected if you choose to do this. I just have my paper towel in the studio to hold that color bottle. And now we're just gonna wing it, just pour that bad baby all over. I'm just pouring the hair color onto my strands and rubbing it in, making sure it gets everywhere.
Don't you know that we need to grow? You keeping us below where we can go. Don't know why I refuse to leave someone I should behind, but it works out fine. I keep on holding on to you. I keep on growing on from you. I keep on knowing, you keep on showing me we lose. I keep on holding to you. What am I holding on to? What are we showing this time?
And just a reminder that you can remove this semi-permanent hair color from your skin. Just use 90% alcohol. Now I'm going to contain my hair and let this process for 30 minutes while I prep my extensions. So I will see you guys in the kitchen. So the only thing I do before I install my clip-ins is I just apply conditioner and I rinse it and I detangle it, and that's it. We want to get that natural texture popping and realistic. This step makes the biggest difference because it makes your clip-ins look like actual hair and not just like extensions plopped on your head.
I keep on growing from you. I keep on knowing, you keep on showing me those. I keep on holding to you. What am I holding on to? I keep on holding on to you. I keep on growing on from you. I keep on knowing, you keep on showing me those. I keep on holding to you. What am I holding on to? I ain't never left you alone.
I went ahead and let my hair dry and band 2 knots overnight, and my clip-ins are dry as well. So let's get it poppin'. The Afro Kinky Curly set from Better Length, it comes with 10 pieces. So we got 2 of each length basically. So what I'm gonna do now is undo my band 2 knots in sections. And if you're waiting for some really complicated way to style your natural hair before you put the clips in, girl, keep waiting. Because literally I just eyeball it. I apply the clips, I add a little oil to my hair when I'm done, and that's it, girl. So after a lot of trial and error, this is how I figured out that the only requirement is to make sure your hair and the clip-ins are detangled. Band 2 knots are a great way to keep your hair detangled and stretched especially, and my hair still has body to it for the clip-ins to hold on to. So when I apply it, it lays just right. But if you have thick hair, I think clip-ins just look good on you, but Congratulations, because I don't have that gift.
I keep on holding to you. What am I holding on to?
So let's do this again. You section off your hair, eyeball which clips you need, and apply it. And add a little bit of oil for shine on your hands. Just rub it in. And don't forget, guys, I don't apply the extensions with too much tension. Just a general rule of thumb: if it hurts, take it out. If it hurts, take it out. These things should not pull your hair out, and they should not hurt. I learned the hard way.
Turn it off, come and turn me on. Haven't we been here before, in the dark before the dawn? Pull me close, then you pull away, then we're back to making amends. All the wicked games you play, baby, I can't stay. Can we go back to that perfect day? We drew the blinds and we felt no shame. Now we're not sure if we feel the same. And I need you to know that I don't wanna spend my whole life waiting on your heart to change your mind. I just need to know if we can make it. It's messing with my head when you keep me on the edge.
Okay guys, let's check in so far. So with a few basic do's and don'ts, we've just been winging it. But as we get closer to the front, like, I'm not gonna lie to you, I have to make sure my leave out is unclockable, girl. You wanna make sure it's seamless. So I'll be adding 3 things to the top section only, and that is some water, some gel, and honestly, use your favorite kind of gel. I'm tired of the gel debate. Don't even ask me at this point. And you need some oil for some shine. And our hair is already moisturized from when we washed it. Don't skip that leave-in step. Just FYI, because we don't want any breakage. So now just a little edge control for your edges and a little rearrangement of the clips, and that will get you right, girl. And this is in HD, so the camera don't lie. You see that it looks damn good so far.
Where are we going? Where are we going this time? I'm tired of staying, playing out this lie. We were just trying, why are we dying inside? Our love is iron, hypnotized for life. Don't you know that we need to grow? You keeping us below where we can go.
Right here, my hair is still wet, but you can see that I'm so happy with the results so far. Y'all just don't know how pulling off a hairstyle can make you feel so much better. Sometimes when I film these, I just be winging it, just having fun, going along with it, you know? And yeah, I really loved how this turned out. So after I let it dry a little, here are the results. That volume, honey. One set of clip-ins is all you need, I promise you. I used to overdo it once upon a time. I used to use like 2 and then like braid my hair down so I don't have to leave my hair out. But I found a way that actually works, and it preserves your natural hair, and you don't have to use a lot of clip-ins, and you don't have to do a lot of work. So
Hope is blind.
and don't be shy with the styles, guys. You can do a half up, half down, a high ponytail, low ponytail. You can do some cute puffs. And these are just some really quick ways I came up with on the spot with the way my hair is installed right now. So just imagine as the days go by, you can put them in different ways to make like infinite style possibilities.
I know you and me are wrong. Still, I haven't left you. I haven't left you. I haven't left you. I haven't left you. I keep on holding. I keep on holding on to you. I keep on growing. I keep on growing from you. I keep on knowing. You keep on showing me those. I keep on holding to you. What am I holding on to?
I do take these out at night. I make sure to keep my natural hair soft and wrapped up, and that way the clip-ins don't damage my hair and they last a whole lot longer. And thanks for watching, you guys. Just pick what video you want to see next, and I will see you there.